Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tri Amelia Ningsi and I am currently a postgraduate student in the Master of Accounting program at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. It was an honor for me to have the opportunity to present my research as one of the requirements to attend the thesis proposal seminar. This presentation will include three parts. First, the introduction. Second, the literature review and hypothesis development. And third, the research method. This time, I will present my research entitled The Mediating Role of Transparency and Accountability in the Relationship between Financial Report Quality and Public Agency Performance. To provide some context, let me start with a brief background on why this topic is essential. Transparency and accountability play a crucial role in improving the quality of financial reporting, which in turn impact the performance of public agencies in Indonesia. In the context of good governance, public agencies are responsible for providing accurate and relevant information to the public as a form of accountability for managing public funds. However, Indonesia still faces challenges in the enhancing the quality of reporting and the reliability of public agency performance, especially in the area of information disclosure in Jakarta, where KPP Pratama was chosen as a focus of this research. Good quality financial statements are expected to improve public image and trust. This supports bureaucratic reform efforts and increases service effectiveness. Now let me dive into the main issue this research addresses. Despite significant advancement, many public agencies still struggle with financial reporting quality, impacting their transparency, accountability, and performance. For example, Directorate General of Tax or DJP, as part of Indonesian Ministry of Finance, strive to fulfill its responsibility of information disclosure by providing quality financial reports. For this reason, it is important for every employee involved in the preparation of financial statement in truly understand the financial report issue. With that background, I would like to present the main objective of the study. The study to examine the effect of financial report quality on the performance of public agency, particularly at KPP Pratama Jakarta, to explore the role of transparency and accountability as mediators in this relationship, to determine whether improving the quality of financial statement can enhance public agency performance, and to assess whether transparency and accountability can strengthen the positive effect of financial statement quality on public agency performance. Moving forward, I would like to highlight benefit why this study is relevant. Theoretical contribution. This research contributes to the development of knowledge, especially in public sector accounting. It expands insight into the role of transparency and accountability as mediators between financial statement quality and public agency performance. This is relevant for academic, policymakers, and researchers. And then practical contribution. This study provides recommendation for regulators and policymakers to improve the performance of public agencies through more transparent and accountable financial reporting. For KPP Pratama Jakarta and other public agencies, these results on this study can serve as a basis for evaluating and enhancing service quality and financial management reliability. And then to better understand the foundation of the study, let's now turn to the literature that explore key theories and previous findings related to financial report quality, transparency, accountability, and public agency performance. Theoretical review. Number one, New Public Management or NPM. This theory encouraged reform in the public sector, focusing on efficiency, accountability, and performance outcomes. NPM emphasizes that public agencies should be managed with principles similar to the private sector, including debureaucratization and results orientation. Number two, agency theory. This theory explains the relationship between the principal, the public, and the agent, the governments, with management, where the public entrusts the governments with managing public funds. It also highlights potential conflict between the two parties, which can addresses through accountability mechanism to ensure the government's acts in public interest. And the last, new institutional economics or NIE. This theory views institutions as important factors in regulating interaction in the public sector, including norm, formal rules, and transaction costs. NIE help understand the complexities and managing public agencies in Indonesia, including result management, bureaucratic rules, and governance structures that affect performance. To develop the hypothesis for this study, I have examined various studies focusing on financial reporting quality, transparency, and accountability and public agency performance. Number one, uh, the research from Tran et al. 2020 entitled The Role of Accountability in Determining the Relationship Between Financial Reporting Quality and the Performance of Public Organization Evidence from Vietnam. The sample is 177 accountants and managers of public agencies. Results, financial reporting quality and accountability positively influence organizational performance. Number two, the research from Rezai et al. 2021 entitled Study of the Effect Public Sector Organization Accountability in the Relationship Between Financial Reporting Quality and Their Performance. Sample 209 accountants and managers of government agencies in Iran, and the result, financial reporting quality and accountability positively and directly affect the performance of public agencies. Accountability mediates the relationship between financial reporting quality and performance. Number three, the research from Agustiawan and Halim, 2019, entitled Accountability and Performance of the Public Sector Organization. Sample 114 senior executive of regional work units or SKPD in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Result, financial accountability, performance accountability, and legal accountability positively affect the quantitative and qualitative performance of public sector organization. Number four, the research from Putra et al. 2023 entitled The Effect of Accountability, Transparency, and Public Participation on the Performance of Public Service Organization, Empirical Study on Investment Board and Integrated Licensing Service in West Pasaman Regency. Sample service users of the Integrated Investment and Licensing Service Agency in West Pasaman, West Sumatra, Indonesia. Results, accountability, transparency, and public participation positively and significantly influence the performance of public service agencies. And then, based on findings and theoretical frameworks discussed, I have formulation several hypotheses. Hypothesis number one is the quality of financial statement have positive effect on the performance of KPP Pratama Jakarta. Hypothesis number two, the quality of financial statement have positive effect on the transparency of KPP Pratama Jakarta. Hypothesis number three, the quality of financial statement has a positive effect on the accountability of KPP Pratama Jakarta. Hypothesis number four, transparency have a positive effect on the performance of KPP Pratama Jakarta. Hypothesis number five, accountability has a positive effect on the performance of KPP Pratama Jakarta. Hypothesis number six, transparency will positively mediate the relationship between the quality of financial statement and the performance of KPP Pratama Jakarta. And the last, hypothesis number seven, accountability will positively mediate the relationship between quality of financial statement and the performance of KPP Pratama Jakarta. To further clarify the relationship between key variables from this literature review, let's look at the visual graph, this relationship. In this conceptual framework, financial report quality is shown as an independent variable that influences public agency performance as the dependent variable. Additionally, financial report quality in link to transparency and accountability, both of which then affect public agency performance. Transparency and accountability act as mediating variable expected to strengthen the relationship between financial report quality and public agency performance. Next, having established the theoretical foundation, it's crucial to apply the appropriate methodology to test this idea. I will now go through the methodological approach. About unit of analysis, the research focus on public agency, particularly the financial report aspect at KPP Pratama Jakarta. The unit analysis is the financial statement produced by this public agency, reflecting their performance, transparency, and accountability. The population include all employees in the general subdivision of KPP Pratama Jakarta involved the preparation and management of financial statement. Sample, the sample was selected using pervasive sampling, targeting KPP employees with tasks related to financial statement management and sufficient knowledge about KPP performance. Next, about data collection technique. A closed questionnaire will be used to collect data. The questionnaire contains predetermined statement or question and will be distributed to employees in the general subdivision of KPP Pratama Jakarta. And then about operationalization of variables. Number one, about public agency performance measured through indicators such as quantity of work, quality of results, innovation, reputation, goal achievement, efficiency, and work unit morale. Next, about financial report quality, evaluated evaluated based on the completeness, accuracy, and timeliness of financial statement. Next, about transparency, measured by the degree of information disclosure and accessibility of financial data to stakeholders. And then about accountability, assesses through adherence to reporting standards, audit results, and clarify of rules and responsibilities in financial management. And then about data analysis technique, this research use a quantitative method to describe certain social accurately, systematically, and actually best available data and facts, include validity and reliability tests, normality tests, and research hypothesis tests. In conclusion, this study aims to explore the impacts of financial report quality on public agency performance, with transparency and accountability serving as mediating variables. The findings are expected to contribute significantly to the theoretical understanding of public sector accounting and offer practical insights for improving financial management and performance in public agencies. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.